Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm wearing a wig. I could not be bothered doing my hair today. I don't know if this color suits me. I've never really worn this color before, but hey, let's just wear it today. So today I have a epic LUSH unboxing for you guys. This is a little bit late time-wise, so I do apologize because this is filled with Halloween goodies. As you guys know, Halloween has just been such a crazy time for me. It's been insanely busy, not only with YouTube, but with like work in general and going to Perth to visit my sister-in-law who just had a baby. So I'm now an auntie. Hazel has a cousin. Anyway, let's open this baby today and show you guys all of the goodies. Hazel, and she loves pulling the tripod. Oh my gosh, it's like her new thing. Sweetheart. This has been sent to me by LUSH as well, so thank you guys so much. I absolutely adore LUSH, like, Okay, ooh, all right, so it looks like it is one big kind of box in here. It smells incredible. Oh my gosh, is this like a scarf? Because I would so wear this. I'm trying to get this out without the peanuts going everywhere. I might empty this on top of the sink. Don't want you little poppet to get these peanuts. So this is what it looks like. How freaking cool is this? It smells unbelievable. So this is Bewitched. If you've got it, haunt it. All right, so this is a knot wrap. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm just gonna undo this. I seriously want to tie this around my head. This would just be awesome. Oh my God, how cool is this? This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my God, I'm not... All right, that will do. That's so cool. Okay, so this is the box here and we will open it up. So they do have a little slip of the goodies that are in here. I'm gonna shake out the peanuts and we'll dive in. So it looks like there are 4 products in here. So the first one is the Ghosts in the Dark. Oh my gosh, it smells super citrusy, like lemon, like fresh lemons. Wow, it smells so strong. It's good, like it's good strong. So this said you can expect a really good wash with refreshing lemongrass and uplifting bergamot oils. So it's definitely the lemongrass that I'm smelling. And it's in the shape of a ghost. So I'm guessing this is a soap. Yes, soap. So the next little goodie I'm finding is the Bewitched. So this is a bubble bar. It says, twitch your nose and breathe in this familiar blackberry scent. And it is so friggin' cute. I think I got this one in last year's Halloween unboxing. I can't remember, but it is so cute. And it's black, like my soul. All right, so the next one is the Sparkly Pumpkin. Again, this is a bubble bar. It says, if you're pumped up for Halloween, you're sure to be jacked up on juniper and lime oils. Oh, I didn't even smell the cat one, did I? Oh yeah, it smells like, I can't remember what it's called. The big one, the Comforter, is it called the Comforter? Oh, it smells so good. I might be wrong, but it smells really nice. All right, so this one, definitely, yeah, a little bit citrusy. It's not like overpowering or anything like that. Covered in glitter, which I love, and it's got a little bit of a cinnamon bark in the center, which, oh, it's so cute. It actually matches my hair, or my wig, I should say, really well. All right, so the last little goodie in here is the Lord of Misrule Bath Bomb. It says, revel in your bath with this mischievous bomb that features a spicy herbal blend of patchouli and black pepper oils. Oh man, it smells so good. I actually still have the shower cream, I think from last year. It like, I use it all the time and I still have it. It's lasted that long. It smells identical to this. It's like a comforting, rich, it kind of just reminds me of like the holidays. Like I'm kind of getting a Christmassy vibe. It smells just, so good. All right, rainbows, there is my LUSH haul. Thank you guys so much for sending me out these goodies. Oh, I can't wait to use them because I absolutely adore LUSH and there's no LUSH where I live. I know you can online shop and stuff, but I miss being in the store. All right, rainbows, thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.